Counterweight measurement. E. Counterweight width. To vertical height of the counterweight. 3. Direction from the leftmost side of the body to the crossbeam cap direction. For the direction from the rightmost side of the body to the crossbeam, direction of the bloom and small arms. 5. Inner width of the counterweight main beam. 6. Distance between the two main beams of the counterweight main body. 7. Height from the counterweight support seat to the left side plane. 8. Height from the counterweight support seat to the right side plane. 9. Curvature of the counterweight height on both sides. Draw a line along the arc of the counterweight edge with craft paper. Fill in the counterweight height. Divide the filled part into 50 mm pieces. Measure and mark the distance from each division point to the counterweight edge. 10. The distance between the center holes of the nuts of the major beams on both sides. 11. Before and after distance of the center hole of the beam nut. 12. Distance from the front of the counterweight body to the center hole of the nut in front of the beam. 13. Distance between the counterweight body and the excavator body. 14. Distance from the beam to the butt of the counterweight body. 15. Distance from the center hole of the rear nut of the beam to the edge of the beam. 16. Front width of beam. 17. Overall height of beam. 18. Inner height of beam. 19. Beam plate thickness.